All right, guys, just got into the customer's home. Let's go ahead and check this theater out. As I was stating to you guys earlier, the big thing you're gonna see is the Sony 695, one of our best-selling units. This is native 4K, and we are broadcasting onto a 16:9 screen, but this also has lens memory built in. If you do want to do 2:3:5 aspect ratio, you can easily do that with the lens memory functionality. Another thing I want to point out to you guys is one of my favorite projector mounts. This is the Strong Fine Adjust projector mount. See, it has the knobs up there on the back. It makes it super easy to adjust. It basically has a little gearbox where you can twist it, and it rotates the gears instead of just holding a screwdriver and trying to hold it into place. It also holds better long term. So this is a projector mount that I do recommend for this projector, as well as all of the projectors that we sell. It is one of my best sellers. Now, we're broadcasting onto a 100-inch 1 Series SI screen, and I'm gonna go ahead and get our picture pulled back up so you guys know who to call if you need some help. Anyways, so this is the fixed frame screen. Screen Innovations makes a wide variety of different fabrics as well as styles of screens, LED kit on the back, fixed frame, traditional home theater like this, different aspect ratios. I made videos about that as well, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to check that out. But this is the 1 Series, and this was part of the projection system that he had prior, and the customer may end up upgrading this in the future. Right now, we were just getting him up to date on the 695. So the next thing in the system that you're gonna see is our speakers. This is the Episode 700 series. This is a brand that isn't quite as popular as, like, say, Klipsch on our site, but it has a really nice quality of audio, and it also has a lifetime warranty. We do a lot of business in Texas, and this company has a warehouse like right around the corner from us, and they're also nationwide, so we end up using them a lot on installations. Again, I really like their warranty, and the service is unmatched on this particular manufacturer. You got a titanium dome tweeter, produces really nice dialogue. So we're using 3 of these across the front. You got your front, left, right, and center. And I'll play a demo for you guys, an audio demo as well. One cool thing is the finish. See, it's got that piano gloss finish. It looks really nice. And these do have grills that go over them. When I play the demo, I'll go ahead and cover them up so that you can see the finished look. We got a 1-button press touchscreen remote in here for the Apple TV, Blu-ray, cable box, all that. This is one that does need to be programmed by a professional, so if you're going to be doing it yourself, I wouldn't recommend this remote, but it's a great remote if you're going to have a professional company program it for you, which we can help you out with that as well. Now, the next speakers are the surrounds. Let me see if I can get this grill off. This is the Signature series from Episode, the 1500 series. Again, lifetime warranty. And this is bipolar. So see how it has a tweeter here and a tweeter here? Think about the dispersion of the audio in the space. This is only a 7.1. So what that means is all the effects are either coming through here or they're coming from up here. So as the audio is kind of like ripping through the room, imagine like a car ripping around the corner, you're gonna hear the audio transfer from this speaker to that tweeter and this tweeter, giving you the effect firing into both rows, making it very realistic and super cinematic. Got the same thing going on up here. 7.1 is great for pretty much all content because no matter what you watch, you're using all the speakers, which is really nice. We do Atmos systems as well on a regular basis, and Atmos is awesome, but it's only for large production films, and they're coming out with more and more content, but can't go wrong with a 7.1. So this is the Episode triple firing sub. Again, I really like this guy because it has a sub here, here, and over here. So the dispersion is amazing. As the audio's reverberating off the walls, it's pushing that audio throughout the entire room. making it feel really cinematic. This is your low frequency bass. This is what's gonna rumble your butt as the explosions go off. Back here is the equipment. So we're running a Onkyo. This is the NR 1030 9.2 channel receiver. Again, we're just running it as a 7. We've got our Pro Control hub, which is controlling the control system, as well as the Blu-ray player, which this is a 1080p Blu-ray. The customer said he doesn't really use it, so we just upgraded him to the Apple TV 4K for streaming, and then we got the DirecTV box, as well as a power conditioner. Make sure everything is surge protected from getting hit by lightning, as well as removing any noise out of the line. Here's that old projector that we pulled out right here. And then here are the grills. I'll go ahead and put one on for you guys so that you can see the finished look. Just like that. These have a very high-end finish to them, and they're at a really good price point. If you're interested in the product, just give us a call and we'll get you pricing. We can't put that information on the internet because it is a price protected line. All right, well, I'm gonna play a demo for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. And if you would like to purchase, make sure to give us a call or shoot us an email. We do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. We really appreciate y'all's support. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching, guys. I just disconnected my phone from the wall.
So desperately that you're right. It's fair.
Yeah, that looks good.
Destiny still alive. Fun isn't something one considers when balancing the universe.
Woo! Another happy customer. That is what I'm talking about. Let's do another one. Man, I can't tell you guys how thankful I am for your support. This is amazing. I got another happy customer. There's nothing better than seeing the look on y'all's faces when we fire up that theater room. Woo! It's pretty awesome. Let's go check out another one.